Okay, so prosciutto crostini with cantaloupe butter. That's right, cantaloupe butter. Do we have your attention yet? Let's not leave out the char grilled oysters and a 3-ingredient cocktail inspired by a classic. Bill, you've got your hands full.
That's right, I do. I'm in the kitchen with the man, Chef Jasper, in the house. 65 years you are celebrating of the restaurant. You don't look a day over 35.
Thank you very much.
I got it. So I have to ask the first question. Is the secret to staying young cooking and eating Italian food?
Oh, of course. Come on. It's the olive oil. My mama always said the olive oil. Exactly.
Okay,
exactly.
So the olive oil is the secret. So that we're letting everybody know. So the plates that you got going on for the 65th anniversary, tell us a little bit about these, about this special menu for this fantastic time for you guys.
So for the first time in 65 years, we now have a cocktail menu at Jasper's.
Okay.
You know, everybody has their craft menus and all the young, we say the millennials and all.
The hip kids.
Exactly. So Jasper's now has a cocktail menu. I brought along all the old menus from Jasper's over the years since 1954. Even one that has a 79-cent Waldo luncheon menu. Come on, you know, we go back that far.
Wow.
And, but, you know, we've progressed over the years, and now here we are at 103rd and State Line, and we're celebrating today and all month long, really.
Okay, awesome. Well, what are we making up today? Because we got some stuff already on the stove, or we're making some smoke, some steam, some good smells in the kitchen.
I want to show everybody how to make, this is so simple. This is what we call a compound butter. Okay. And what it is, it's actually just butter and then whatever filling you want to put in there. So if you want mushrooms, you want prosciutto, you want melon. So I'm doing cantaloupe in here.
Okay.
And the cantaloupe is very simple. We chop it up, we puree it very fine. And then what you do, and you can just roll it just like this right here.
So that's just some wax or parchment paper?
A little parchment paper, and then just roll it just like this right here. And then we refrigerate that. Okay? That's not hard at all to do. And then you put it, then when you're ready for it, you slice it and you put it up on your bread or your crostini or your, you know, whatever appetizer you want to put it on. And then you just spread it, put a little prosciutto di Parma on it, maybe a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano. It's that simple, come on.
Okay, beautiful.
Now, here's another thing I love. We love oysters at the restaurant. Now, I found out something this morning I did not know.
What was that?
You never had an oyster, come on.
I've not, it's just not my thing, man.
There you go, my friend. You ready? Okay, now seriously.
Those look really hot. I can't just start eating it right off there, can I?
Oh yeah, no, they're kind of,
it'll be fine.
I put them on the grill first and I just put them here to the side. Look at them. So what I've done with this.
It's moving.
Yeah, I get excited about this.
Supposed to move?
Well, it's not moving, no, come on. That's the garlic butter and the cheese and everything. It's kind of boiling a little bit.
Smells really good.
The oysters, how simple. You shuck your oysters. Have your fishmonger at the grocery store shuck them for you.
Okay.
Okay, all you do is
shucking oysters like shucking corn on the cob.
Yeah, come on, just come on. Right like that.
Just right like that?
It takes a second.
Okay.
Now, garlic butter, Italian breadcrumbs, a little pecorino romano cheese.
Okay.
Is it that simple? Come on. I think that's all the ingredients right there.
Yeah, so I'm just not. I'm a loss of words here, Jasper, because I'm trying here. Okay, let's put in another one. Yeah, no big deal. So
look at these, they're not moving.
What's the trick now to finding fresh oysters or good oysters here in Kansas City?
Well, we're very fortunate, and you know what really bothered me for all those years? People used to say, "Oh, come on, you're landlocked. You know, we don't have any." Have you ever heard of FedEx?
I have heard of FedEx.
I mean,
think about overnight delivery?
Yeah, come on. So we get everything overnight just like they have on the East Coast or the West Coast.
Okay.
These come from the East Coast. These are actually from Maryland. They are so succulent. They're like buttery already, and they're mild. They're very, very mild.
So they don't taste like, they don't have like a fishy taste
exactly.
to it or
That's what you
like
say the fishy taste, you know, but you want that oyster, what we call the oyster, the gold, the liquid, you know, that's in there. So taste that little one right there.
Yeah. This one right here?
This one, I'll hold it for you. It's a little hot.
Do I use it? Just dig in
just like that. There you go, my friend.
All
perfect, perfect.
Here we go. A little hot.
It's a little hot. What do you think, though, flavor?
Yeah. No, it's got the butter and the garlic.
Was it like the first time you had the escargot?
No, so I was telling a Jasper story for Bastille Day here, and I had escargot for the first time. But no, it's different than the escargot. It's very good though. Still, the butter and like what's the cheese that you have on top of there?
So a little pecorino romano. Butter's good on anything. Come on, think about that.
Anything's good enough with enough butter and garlic.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah. Come on.
So all right, finally, real quick, let's talk a little bit about the cocktails. I know that you said you have your cocktail menu. What's the one special cocktail that if we come down to your restaurant here, we need to try?
I would probably order the Negroni or the Cardinal. The Cardinal's kind of like a cousin of the Negroni.
Okay.
And here we have it's a little bit of Campari, a little bit of Aperol, a little bit of gin. You shake it, a little slice of orange, of course, because it kind of balances it all together.
What's the 3 ingredients in that drink there again?
Campari, Aperol, and a little bit of gin. Come on, it doesn't get any easier than that.
All right.
Yeah, and that's local, of course.
Okay, Jasper, it's been a privilege talking to you today. Thank you for letting me try oysters for the first time ever. That was pretty good. I think I'll try another one here in just a little bit. We're going to check back in with you for a little bit later because we have some more dishes to make today. It's all about pasta and beans.
That's right, pasta bazool.
He'll pronounce more fancy words like that, and we'll make more fancy food coming up in just a bit. Belinda.